Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change Lamborghini Urus key battery. First, find a flat surface and clear it of clutter so you won't lose parts. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Keep the key fob away from water and open windows to prevent drafts from blowing pieces away. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can do this confidently and without stress. Before you begin, gather a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver, and find a soft cloth to protect the fob. Work in a well-lit area and keep small containers handy for tiny screws or clips. Move at least a few meters from the car to avoid accidental signal interference while opening the key. I'll remind you about contact care and gentle prying so nothing breaks during the replacement process. Start by prying the fob open along the seam using gentle pressure, taking care not to force it. Remove the old CR2032 battery while noting which side faces up, then place the new battery in the same orientation. Reassemble the case until it clicks and test the key near your car to verify locking, unlocking, and remote start signals. If something feels loose, reopen and reseat the battery, then try again slowly and deliberately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.